Jai Hind everyone. In last class, have studied about the unique features of the earth, and today we are going to start our new topic, movement of the earth. The earth is not stationary, it moves in two ways. Earth is not stay in their place. Earth moves two ways on its own axis and its own orbit around the sun. These movements are called rotation and revolution. These movements cause day and night and change in seasons on the earth. Earth is not stationary means earth is not fixed on their place. It moves two ways on its own axis. Earth moves on its own axis, that is called rotation, and when earth is taking round of the sun, these movements are called revolution. This is two type of movement of the earth, rotation and revolution. These movements cause days and night and change in seasons of the earth. Rotation. Earth spins on its axis and completes one rotation in 24 hours. That's why our days and night complete 24 hours. Earth spins on its axis and complete one rotation in 24 hours, and as it spins, one half of the earth faces the sun, hence gets its light and experience day. One half of the earth when face the sun, that experience days because sunlight is coming on that half of the earth, and other half away from the sun experience night as the earth spins continuously. The earth, other half of the earth, when it is not facing the sun, its experience night, that is dark, as the earth spins continuously. The change from day to night goes on continuously, days and night going on because first half of the earth facing the sun and second half of the facing dark side. Okay, the earth spins from west to east, and therefore the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Movement of the earth is rises in the east. The earth spins on from the west to east. That's why sun rises in the east and sets in the west. The sun does not move across the sky. Sun never move from their place. Only earth is moving. It's the earth that moves. Only earth moving. Sun never moving. The sun seems to move only because we look at it from the earth. When we see the sun, it seems that sun is moving from east to west, but sun is still on their place and only earth is moving around, and we are seeing the sun from the earth. That's why it seems that sun is moving. Okay, now come on, revolution. Beside rotation of its axis, the earth also revolves around the sun. It moves along a fixed path around the sun. Beside the rotation of its axis, earth also moves around the sun. It moves along a fixed path around the sun. This fixed path is called the orbit. Earth's orbit is elliptical in shape. Earth's orbit is not round and not flat. It is a oval shape like elliptical in shape, and Earth's take 365 and 1/4 days to complete one revolution. The Earth's movement around the sun, one of the cause of the change in season. The Earth takes 365 days to complete one revolution, so we have 365 days in a year, and the earth's movement around the sun, one of the cause of the change seasons. Earth's movement on its axis rotation is caused the changing day and night, and Earth movement around the sun is caused changing season. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.